Okay guys, so coming out it's almost just a mirror image of going in, but there's a couple of wee things I need to show you. So the first thing you want to do is, once you're out, is once you're coming out, is undo the seatbelt first before you do anything. So all you do is unclip that and bring the restraint. What you're better doing is grab that first until it's out there, and then that's it. Now, in this chair, the next thing we do, because you've got these so tight, you can't really do this with your hand. So a big tip, use your foot. It's much easier to just release it. You can hear it click. You can hear it click. That'll make it much easier to release. Now, moving forward, what I tend to do is, I'll take this off. Okay, so you release that. Now this one has to come off completely detached because you're not going to get by this. But what I do is, you press that, and to take it out, you lift it up and slide it out. And try and keep it all, and then keep it straight, and I keep it there, okay, attached, because it's not going to get in the way, okay. Then this one comes off, and what I do with this one is, it's kind of getting in the way a wee bit there, but what you can do is you can just move it around like that, into the centre. It's all attached, and then Graham will come out, absolutely no problem there. And they're all attached. You'll find once you've got the setup, once you're used to where the wheelchair goes, you'll not have to adjust these guys, and it'll become really, really easy. First time, as I say, it's quite difficult. So that's that. If you do find for some reason that's getting in the way, you just lift it out of the way like that, put it to the side, but the less you have to do, the better. So the next thing we do is, we need to come out and we need to release these two front restraints. So we need to press that button, and then what Graham needs to do is take the brakes off at this point. Now if you're on a bit of a slope, downwards, make sure you're holding on. You're not going, unless it's a really bad slope, you're not going to go careering forward, but just in case you do this. Now, another thing that people sometimes miss out on is that that's off, you pull back, oh, nothing's happening. What you have to do, guys, is you have to push the chair forward just a tiny wee bit to release it on the sprocket or whatever you would call it. So if I go forward just a wee bit first, you can actually hear it click. Then that allows us to come all the way back. You have to go a little bit left to dodge that bit there, but it means you can keep that in situ. And then out you come. And this is the point at which, if you are on a bit of a slope, you would apply the brakes, okay? I'm not going to apply the brakes on this occasion, but it's important to tell you that you may or may not need to apply the brakes. Okay, so we'll stop the video there.